So the first thing you're going to do is just to come in and type on your browser, just type Google Ads. Google Ads. When I type in Google Ads, I will scroll down and make sure I choose this option, this one that came from ads.google.com. You don't need to go through all these ads and so on and so forth. Just come straight down here. You can as well so when you do that, it brings you into their landing page. Now this is the landing page of Google Ads. So for those that don't have an account before, if you already have a Google Ads account, all you need to do is to click on sign in. But if you don't have, all you need to click on is start now. I already have a Google account, so I'm just going to come here. I'll click on start now. I'm going to pretend as if I don't have any, right? I pretend as if I don't have any Google accounts. So if I don't have, I'm going to click in on switch ads account now. And I click on switch ads account now. It's going to ask me to sign in with the Gmail account I want to use to sign in. All I need to do is to pick the Google Ads, the Google account. So I mean that's the account. I just going to come here, type in my email address, my password. So I'm going to click no thanks. Now it's going to ask me new Google Ads account. Is that what I want to create, or I want to switch into a new Google Ads account? Now I want to create a new Google account. So for the sake of those that don't have Google Ads account, that is why I'm going through this step before I'll go into the main account I'm going to be using for this training. This email is actually not for me. It's I just created a dummy email for the sake of this training. So I'm going to say new Google Ads account for the sake of those that do not have a Google Ads account, because there are some things I'm going to be showing you that you must do. Now I'm going to come straight down here. Normally for everyone that don't have a Google Ads account, this is where it's going to bring you into when you say create a new Google Ads account. Please, there is a deep secret here that I wouldn't want you to miss out of. Now what Google will ask you to do, Google will ask you to type in your name here. Please don't put in your information here. You don't have business with this. All you need to look for is just come straight down to this point. You're going to see switch to expert mode. That's the secret. That's just the secret I want to expose to you. So this actually gives you the opportunity to harness everything about Google Ads, every features about Google Ads. But if you come right here, you're going to be limited in the number of features that you're going to be using creating your Google Ads. So I'm going to come down. I'm going to switch towards this, which says switch to expert mode. It takes you into expert mode, and then you have all cool things to play around on your Google Ads. So this is where it's going to bring us into. So for that, for the number of people that doesn't have a Google account, this is just the simple steps that you must take to create a Google account. So